Unlock remote income. How AI video translation can make you $2,000 per month from home. Say goodbye to 9-to-5 jobs. By simply translating videos with AI, discover how you can make $2,000 per annum from home. 1. Direct marketing. You can reach out to businesses directly and offer your services. This can be done through email, phone calls, or social media. 2. Freelancing platforms. There are many popular freelancing platforms, such as Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, and others, where you can create a profile and offer your services to potential clients. This is a great way to get started and build up your portfolio. 3. Partnerships. Partnering with other businesses, such as marketing agencies or translation companies, can give you access to a wider pool of potential clients. 4. Online marketplaces. Online marketplaces could be a great option for showcasing skills and expertise in various segments. For instance, platforms like Django and 1 Hour Translation offer opportunities for translation service providers. 5. Networking. Networking with other professionals in the industry can help you generate leads and find new clients.